Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? To the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Good day, sir. I'm Zuniga Vicente from base MP2, MP25, and I'm here to do the last project and prelim in Marine Environment 211-51021. We have three questions that we need to answer. First, what is the marine environment? So the marine environments are those in the world seas and oceans below mean high tide mark. Marine environments relate to the morphology of nearshore, offshore, and deep water zones of the ocean. So marine environment is a vital source for life in the earth. Marine ecosystems perform a number of key environmental functions. They regulate the climate, prevent erosion, accumulate and distribute solar energy, absorb carbon dioxide, and maintain biological control. Second question is, what are the major sources of marine pollution and its impact, hazards to human, animals, and shipping industry? So, chemical pollution is the introduction of harmful contaminants. Common man-made pollutants that reach the ocean include pesticides, herbicides, fertilizers, detergents, oil, industrial chemicals, and sewage. Many ocean pollutants are released into the environment far upstream from coastlines, and the increased concentration of chemicals such as nitrogen and phosphorus in the coastal ocean promotes the growth of algal blooms, which can be toxic to wildlife and harmful to humans. The negative effects on health and the environment caused by algal blooms hurt local fishing and tourism industries. So the third question is, explain MARPOL Convention history when it was adopted, entered into force, and its objective, including all the regulation of MARPOL Annex 1 to 6. So the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, or MARPOL, is the main international convention covering prevention of pollution of marine environment by ships from operational or accidental causes. The MARPOL Convention was adopted on November 1973 at IMO. The Protocol of 1978 was adopted in response to a spate of tanker accidents in 1976 to 1977. As the 1973 MARPOL Convention had not yet entered into force, the 1978 MARPOL Protocol absorbed the parent convention. The combined instrument entered into force on 2nd October 1983. In 1997, a protocol was adopted to amend the convention, and the new Annex 6 was added, which entered into force on 19 May 2005. MARPOL has been updated by amendments through the years. The convention includes regulations aimed at preventing and minimizing pollution from ships, both accidental pollution and that form routine operations, and currently include six technical annexes. We have six annexes. So the Annex 1 is the regulations for the prevention for pollution by oil, entered into force by 2nd of October 1983. So the Annex 2 is the regulations for the control of for pollution by noxious liquid substances and bulk, entered into force is 2nd October 1983. So the Annex 3 is the prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried by sea package form, entered into force in 1st July 1992. The Annex 4 is the prevention of pollution by sewage from ships, entered into force in 27th September 2003. So the Annex 5 is the prevention of pollution by garbage from ships, entered into force in 31st December 1998. So the Annex 6 is the prevention of air pollution from ships, entered into force in 19th May 2005.